if you want.
G'day guys, Luke here from Locked In Off-Road, and on this episode we're redoing everything again. G'day guys, Luke again from Locked In Off-Road. Today's episode, we swapped out our motor that we blew up for our new motor, and she's successfully in.
Previously on Locked In Off-Road.
I think we got a problem.
Flashback.
Is there anyone there?
Yes, what do you see?
Iceberg, right ahead!
Thank you.
Now, engage the reversing engine!
Years later.
Don't let me go, Jack. There's only room for one of us on top of this engine. I'm on top of the world!
This doesn't make any sense.
What? What? So we've decided the motor in the Suzuki wasn't cutting it, and I've decided to do an engine swap. We're putting a DeLorean motor in it, and we're going back to the future.
Never been off-road once.
Never been off-road.
I think so.
Small surface rust. Oh. That doesn't look healthy. I'm no mechanic, but...
It's fine to me, boys.
Give that a lick. Smells good too.
God.
What's that?
What's that?
Tell me something good, Ollie.
Carbon build-up and shit.
Hopefully it's just, yeah.
It's just the filter doing its job. That's what it's doing. It's fine. Just think about all the
Wonder if we can
crap
clean that
didn't
out.
go in the engine because that filter was there.
It undoes there and there.
I'll tell you that and you put it in a bit of fuel, brush it up and down.
Where's it undo?
There. And then
Yep, we will be taking that off.
there'll be an O-ring under that as well.
Yeah, I'll be very careful.
Kind of smells like mold somehow.
No, that's coming from the camper trailer.
That makes sense then.
What do you reckon? Blade to scrape all this old gasket off. You need to do these things when you buy the first steam engine from Engine Room 1 off the Titanic. So.
Does look like it was found at the bottom of the ocean.
Mm-hmm. Fuel, you reckon?
Yeah, that's what you usually use. What have you been using? Oh, water. Chepo uses water to clean engine parts.
Obviously.
Water and
Motor from the Titanic wreck. I'll borrow Kate's toothbrush to clean that out. Thanks, Kate. Appreciate it. Chepo approves. It's his idea.
Might have a paintbrush here somewhere. Kate! Hey, do we have a spare toothbrush? Oh shit, one, you're never going to use it again?
Thanks for your toothbrush, Kate. We'll clean it off once we're done. Just gonna use it again.
Oh, cheers. Like new loops, actually.
Does he clean his teeth?
Sometimes.
Oh.
Crazy.
There we go. Much better.
Much better. Much better.
You gonna need brake cleaner or anything like that?
Should be right or what?
Be right, yeah.
Maybe.
Well, what's degrees are going to do?
It's gonna put degreaser in all that part.
What's degrees going to do?
Yeah, brake helps to break down the oil.
Yeah. And that's where oil goes. Does that make sense?
So I don't want to put degrees in here.
Yeah, you put degreaser in it, but you're gonna have to do a flush.
You're gonna have to clean it. Yeah.
So you're gonna have to
Oh, I got engine flush. I'm going to put
it
through
in,
it.
put oil in and then dump that oil.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're good?
Yep.
Wish they made this longer.
So strong, Chepo.
You know what?
I'm glad you grabbed it. Good job, babe. Do you have a bucket or something, though?
He's got a bucket
That's
of
a
course he
great
does.
idea, Ollie. Good on ya. It's just a lot of water. Since we're having an inspection soon, so I would appreciate it off their driveway. Good. Whoa. Oh god.
It's getting better.
Oh my god, Luke. Fuck me. Please
I got
tell
more
us.
rags there if you want to put more rags down. Grab them rags, Kate, and throw them in.
God, please tell us when you're moving.
He doesn't tell you nothing. He'll be welding or grinding. Just he does not like, oh, I'm about to weld. Or watch your eyes or something. At least, nah, no warning.
Oh my god. For God's sake, it's gonna spill now. Alright, I'm using the paint buckets, okay? Fuck the paint.
That's done.
Fabulous.
It's all over.
You reckon, Ollie? You can spray it while it's sitting up now?
Make sure you look up underneath it, Chepo. Get right underneath it.
Oh, that. We're eating all good?
In the eyeball.
With an oil flush should be right, eh? Oh, cool. Let's flick it again. You spin me round, baby, right round. When you go down, down.
Like an engine baby. Right round. Round.
Cup nozzle, apply continuous bead of silicone to one surface, surrounding all bolt holes. Assemble parts immediately while silicone is still wet. Finger tighten until material begins to squeeze around flange. Let dry for 1 hour and then tighten to torque to spec. I ain't doing one, but we'll do that. A little bit of it. Start here, shall we? Okay, maybe. The ultra black.
You're all clogged up, Chepo.
Surely it's not meant to be that hard. Is it?
No, because it looks like the container's about to burst.
Oh, I'm just gonna spread it.
Doing a neat job there, buddy. Keep up the good work.
I'll clean all that.
That's what he says, but he's not. He's not going to do that at all. Thanks, Super Cheap.
Yeah, don't sponsor us. We don't want it. Yeah. You able to clean that out for me, Ollie? There's a brake cleaner in the back seat.
Just going to keep touching this. And that'll keep it wet, eh? Just spit on it every now and again. That's what they say.
Exploded on me. They bought it brand new and it was solid, all sealed up inside, and then next thing you know it exploded out the back. Like silicon for gaskets. Yeah.
How good's that?
Not real good. I've got it all over my shirt, haven't I? Yeah, alright.
Because you leave your wallet
Okay,
with your
honey bum.
in an open vehicle.
Woo! Quickly, Ollie! Running out of time.
It's drying.
It's drying quickly. My nose blood. Okay, cool. We good to go, are we? Almost.
That's never going over here, just so you know.
How the f does this work?
You gotta get it in the hole. Oh, yuck. Almost crushed that.
How the f does this work? It's in
Get it
there.
off.
There we go. Alright. What?
The other stuff even the same. They're different sumps.
No, they're not. Yeah, they
So,
are. You're kidding. Should be the same.
But then. Different sump. What sump's that off?
A 1.3. Same motor. Ah.
Because look at the inside of that. Does it even have baffling and shit? I didn't even look inside that sump.
Should be the fucking same.
Yeah, no, they're different. See, it has a cutout for the line. So you could probably get that onto that engine. You're gonna need a different oil pickup though.
Oh.
So we're gonna have to clean that off.
You wanna go pick up me delivery for me, Jed?
Is that
Yeah.
a new oil pickup, mate, or something else?
Yeah.
Open it.
What did Sheppo get today?
Oh, today,
Shit.
He
every
gets
bloody day of
something
the
every
week.
day in the mail.
He does, every business day. I don't know what this is.
Red. What is that? Oh, that's
what
the
is that?
adapter for the speakers.
The speakers.
Do I just get the wire wheel on this?
I broke them.
Close your eyes,
I
buddy.
broke my
Trust me.
glasses.
Close your eyes.
So this sump, no fit. So Sheppo, seeing that sump, makes it. So yeah, this something's completely different to the other one. I don't know if there's series 1, 2 and 3, 1.3 engines, which there probably is. Or there could be different.
There's a G13BA
Yeah.
and a G13A. This is a G13A. I'm thinking the G13BA has a different sump.
Well, there you go. Let us know down in the comments.
How stuffed I am.
Is this the right way to do this? This is how to wash a sump with Sheppo. You want to pick that one up and shake it above your head too?
There you go.
Ooh, that one fits on.
All in the nick of time, mate.
Timer stopped. No, it's still not stopped. We need the bolts.
Now I've got to find where the bolt holes are. There's one. There's two.
Yeah, need like 4 in, don't you? Yeah.
Three. 4. 5. 6. 7.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, that's the song of the count. I the spiders on the wall.
Can you tell the difference? I know I can't.
Hiding things with Chevro.
Yeah, might as well just keep spraying downwards at this rate, mate. So juicy. Right now, what's happening, Sheppo? What are we doing?
So we're about to go for first start up on the new old motor. Hopefully she runs, fingers crossed. Been a lot of work, hopefully it's for nothing. Not for nothing.
Not for, yeah.
Hopefully it's not for nothing. Here we go.
Here's the first turn. It sounds nice and healthy too, to be honest.
Righto, boys. We on again.
We on.
We on again.
What's that, a 3 days sort of turnaround trip? You had to go to Cairns to go pick it up. That's what I'm including one of them days.
There's the old,
Yeah.
supposedly built to the High Heavens motor.
There's the built motor.
That's completely not built.
And here's a motor that was recovered from
Titanic.
the bottom of the ocean.
The
Titanic
DeLorean
wreck.
swap. Back to the future.
We're going backwards in time, mate. It's probably the engine that came in this car.
She's successfully in and running, so crisis averted. We went to Cairns, took the trailer down, took an engine crane, picked a new motor up for a carton. Definitely questionable, was off a fishing rig, so a lot of beach work, full of rust. You know, been sitting in a paddock probably 20 years, never been run. Got told it was supposedly a good rig, so went down, got it, took a chance, brought her back up, dropped her in, and turns out she's a good thing. Just tripping over shit.
Is it out of gear, mate?
Yeah.
It's out of gear.
It's running out of fuel. Oh no, we got the carby top on it.
Oh.
Take the top off the carby. Cover, no air.
This will probably stop the
Starving.
car starting. It still wanted to start.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And remember, stay locked in.
Back on